Now let's move to the second point. Keep your heart open to love. What happens is that when we experience heartbreak, betrayal, disappointments in love, relationship, like constantly, like it has been a cycle, a long held journey. It's like, okay, no, I'm not going to open my heart to anyone because if I open, the same thing will happen. And you just create your own blockage. Like, okay, you don't want to open yourself to anyone. You don't want to open your heart to anyone because you are too scared because of those disappointments. Now, what happens with this mentality is that when you're not open to love, and if someone offer their love to you, you will not be able to receive that love. You will not recognize that love. You will not recognize that person that, okay, this could be the one, okay, and this person is giving their heart, their love to me, and I'm just here so scared of love. I'm not willing to open up. So what happens with this mentality is that you might miss out on love. You might miss out on opportunity, on connections, okay, which could be turn out to be that one for you. So with this mentality, you create your own blockages, okay? It's like universe is giving you your blessings, okay? Universe is answering to your answering to your prayers, like, okay, I'm giving you your blessing, but because your heart is not open, because you are not open to love, you are not able to recognize that person, you are not able to receive that love. What's the ugly part of this situation is that you will not be able to receive the love that other person is trying to give you. So no matter what you have been through when it comes to love and relationship, you have to be open to love. You have to, like, keep your heart open no matter what, no matter what, so that you don't miss out on your true love. You don't miss out on the opportunities, so that you can receive that love, okay. So there's the huge lesson, because what happens is that when we reach to a certain point in our life, and when we have experienced a lot of heartbreak, betrayal, trauma, narcissistic relationships, we just block our own heart, okay. It's like we want, like, one part of us want to receive that love, but we are not able to. It's frustrating. It feels like crying from inside, not able to express, not able to explain to anyone, and not able to understand. So keep your heart open to love even after those disappointments. Who knows, the other person might have experienced the same pain, betrayal like you. They might have gone through the same experiences as you, okay? So open your heart, keep your heart open to love, to the frequency of unconditional love. Even if you find it difficult, say this again and again. Yes, I am worthy of love. I am worthy of love. Okay? So Keep your heart open to love so that you don't miss out on the blessings, on the opportunities that universe wants to give you. Okay? So keep your heart open to love, to the frequency of unconditional love. So when you will try to open your heart to someone after your disappointments past hurt, it's not going to happen like the next person is going to be your true love, okay? The one. No. It might, it might not be, okay? So what is important is to have patience, okay? Have patience and learn from those situations, connections that you experience when it comes to finding the love in your journey, okay? So as you try to open your heart to love, be patient. Be patient with yourself because it's not necessary that the next person will turn out to be the one, okay? It's a process, it takes time. So during that process, try to heal as much as you can. The more you heal yourself, the more you will be the more you will feel aligned with the kind of love that you want to receive, the kind of person that you want to manifest. Okay. So during that process of finding the, the one, the true love, be patient, try to heal as much as you can. Okay. So that you can attract the right person, the right relationship. Okay. And most importantly, try to be patient with yourself. Okay. It's a process. So there are chances that the moment when you will try to open your heart to love, like when you start believing in love and when you are trying to tell yourself that, yes, I am worthy of love, and, you are just trying to come into that self love energy when you're trying to heal yourself, when you are trying to open your heart to love, your past version will pop up. There are chances that your past version will try to tell you that, this what happened in the past hurt, the pain, the betrayal, and all this stuff. But if you try to focus, if you try to remind yourself that, okay, whatever happened is happened in the past. This is the new person, this is the new version of me who is more aligned with the energy of self love, unconditional love, faith, right? So if you are, if you ever, if you find yourself in a situation where your past version is trying to like pull you back, remind yourself that no, I am a different person now. I have already done that inner work, that healing, the shadow work. I've gone through that transformation. I'm a different person now. The energy has changed completely. Okay. So if you find yourself in a situation where your past version is like, trying to pull you back and trying to tell you that this what happened in the past, remind yourself that how amazing, beautiful you are, and you are worthy of love. Okay. Remind yourself that I am a different person today. Okay. It does not matter what happened in the past. Okay. Today, today, if I'm aligned with the energy of love, self love, unconditional love, happiness, joy, creativity, I will attract the same, right? So try to give yourself that reminder that, okay? Give yourself that reminder. So there are chances that the moment when you will try to open your heart to love, when you try to do that self love, when you start believing in love, you know, your past version might pop up. Okay. So it's okay. It happens. It just remind yourself, okay, of try to do some like affirmations and remind yourself that yes, I'm worthy of love. And I just I would just say this one thing that be patient with yourself and try to open your heart to the frequency of love, healing, compassion, and at the right time when you will be aligned with the energy of love, you will attract the love. Okay? Yeah, so that's all I have for this video. If you guys have any suggestions or if you want me to talk about any particular topic, please comment down in the comment section. I would love to talk about, okay? I would love to talk about anything that is related to healing and love, okay? So, yeah, that's all I have for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.